Geometry number 271, surface area of a cylinder. So we got this little guy, and we need to find what his surface area is, okay? So, as I said in the previous video, a cylinder is like a prism, except the bases are not polygons, they're circles, okay? So we've got two bases, we've got a circumference, and we've got a height. If we were to unfold it and open it up, we'd be able to see the surface area that we need to find, okay? When this is completely opened, it turns into a rectangle. Well, that's easy to find the area of, but the top and the bottom are circles, so we can't make little triangles to find the area. We need to use pi r squared, don't we? So we got base 1 and base 2. Now, there's a right circular cylinder and oblique circular cylinder. They're on two different planes, okay? The lateral surface area of a prism is S equals HP, but circles don't have perimeters. That's the P. They have circumferences, okay? Circumferences of around them, okay? So, the formula, instead of S equals HP, becomes S equals HC. This formula helps us measure the lateral area. That's this part of it, okay? But we need the total area, so we need these two bases. We need the circular bases. So, we're going to figure out what the area is of my shipping tube, okay? That's what we're going to do as an example. So, it's the same as the prism. It's T for total area is equal to the lateral area plus two bases, the surface area plus the two bases. Because the bases are right circular cylinder. Oh, boy, that was tough to say. Because the bases of a right circular cylinder are circles, that's a lot of S's, we'd be smart to change this B to pi r squared, okay? So now we end up with HC plus 2 pi r squared as our formula, all right? So this tube right here has a height of 21, it has a circumference of 10, and a radius of 1.5. And we're going to plug this in, and we're going to do our math. So we've got the height times the circumference plus 2 pi r squared, okay? The height times the circumference, 21 times 10 is 210. Now we have to do 2 times pi. So 2 times 3.14 is 6.28, all right? The radius squared is 1.5. So 1.5 times 1.5 is 2.25. Now all we need to do is add all this up, right? Well, and multiply these two together, because we still need to do these two multiplied, okay? We need to do the 2 pi times the radius squared. Well, multiplying those, we get 14.13. We add that to the 210, and we get 224.13 square inches. 224.13 square inches will cover this tube. So let's say, it's got all this writing on it, and I wanted it to be pretty. I wanted to make some kind of decoration out of it. So if I wanted to cover it with paper on the top and the bottom and all the way around, I'm going to need 224.13 square inches of design paper or something to cover this. Okay? So that is the top and the bottom bases and the lateral area going all the way around. That is the entire surface area of this cardboard tube right here. Okay? So, here's the formula. H times C plus 2 pi r squared. Okay? That's the surface area for a cylinder. We're going to talk about the volume of a cylinder next. We're going to figure out how many units of volume are inside of this cardboard tube. Okay? See you next video. Bye.